Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C73 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, the settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and now we have to tap on the settings icon in the upper panel. Then let's enter languages at the top and tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've got the list of all keyboards which we can, or actually languages which we can apply. So we can scroll and find it, or simply tap on Search Language and enter the name of the language you'd like to apply. After finding, just tap on it and choose the keyboard layout. Tap on Done. And as you can see, we've got our language added. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. As you can see here, we've got the information. We've got also new icon, the globe icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout, so we can change it during the typing. So to remove the language, let's enter the settings, tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.